A magic mask that is stronger than Botox. It tightens the skin and makes wrinkles disappear. Get glowing skin free of pigmentation and wrinkles. We need rose water. Add 100 ml rose water to a cup. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch protects your skin against free radicals and premature aging. Add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Instant yeast helps with anti-aging, sun damage, and pigmentation. Mix it well. Put the ingredients in a saucepan. Put on low heat for 4 minutes. Keep stirring until you get a creamy mixture. Leave the mixture to cool down a bit. Add a tablespoon of honey. Honey-hydrating properties plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Mix it well. Keep the mixture in a small jar. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 7 days. Apply this cream to the skin of the face and neck. Apply this mixture to your skin at night before going to sleep. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes. Then wash your skin with lukewarm water. Apply this mask to your skin 3 times a week. Write in the comments from which country you watch my videos. Thanks for watching.